Hello and welcome back to Coin Matters channel. Bets on a more hawkish Fed interest rate trajectory to control inflation would climb if inflation continues sticky on June 13th, when the U.S. CPI report would be released. Prior to the FOMC economic estimates, wholesale inflation data will also influence the market. The June 14th news conference by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell and the interest rate decision of the Federal. A negative outlook and a sudden increase of 25 basis points would be detrimental. However, information on U.S. retail sales will be of interest to investors in the week's latter half. Philadelphia Federal Reserve Index of Manufacturing Activity. Consumer sentiment in Michigan and the U.S. jobless rate. Concerns of a double-dip recession mean that data from China must be taken into account. Data on retail sales and industrial production will shift the needle on the 15th of June. The SEC's decision to require Binance to transition to a cryptocurrency-only platform caused a drop of $87.2 billion, or 7.93%, in the market's valuation to $1,019 billion early on June 11th, assume a settlement with the SEC. The SEC will release unredacted documents of William Hinman's speech on June 13th in the midst of an ongoing court struggle. At least 7 filings seeking to lift the privilege on attorney-client communications have been filed by the SEC since 2021. Midway through May, however, the court denied the SEC's final request to keep the Hinman data secret. Discussions towards a peace treaty. In an unexpected turn of events, Cardano's Hoskinson has expressed interest in repairing relations with the XRP community. Charles Hoskinson, founder of Cardano, has said he is willing to make amends with the XRP community. After Schwartz's 2022 peace overture, Hoskinson and the CTO of Ripple, David, put their differences to rest. Hoskinson said he had never seen a community so prepared to brutally attack somebody who had not offended them, and he called the XRP community nasty and petty. The creator of Cardano had already stated that he would no longer engage in conversation about RIPs. The conflict between Hoskinson and the XRP community. The remark given by former SEC Director William Hinman in 2018 that essentially gave Ethereum a pass was the main point of dispute between Hoskinson and the XRP community. While other assets, such as XRP, struggled with the unfriendly regulatory framework, the community claims that the speech helped achieve wider recognition. According to Hoskinson, the SEC's latest anti-crypto actions prove the XRP community's conspiracy idea. Hoskinson blocked multiple pro-CCP Twitter accounts after this remark generated heated comments from the XRP community. Disparate opinions. Trail peace proposal from Hoskinson. The XRP community is divided on how they feel about Hoskinson's call for peace, with some calling it hypocritical in light of the SEC's recent decision to classify ADA as a security. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, sued Binance and Coinbase, 2 of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, last week on the grounds that they facilitated the trading of crypto asset securities such as ADA. While the Cardano Foundation has spoken out against the asset being classified as a security, members of the XRP community have varied opinions. Hinman made this claim in a talk he gave in 2018: Ethereum is not security. The potential implications of the Hinman documents for the whole cryptocurrency industry are being increasingly hotly anticipated because of the recent legal action taken against Binance and Coinbase. The future of both cryptocurrencies is very susceptible to market sentiment, technological progress, adoption rates, and regulatory changes. Speculation and debate can flourish in response to the ever-changing dynamics of the crypto realm. Whether XRP can successfully compete with Bitcoin and win over investors is an open question. Finally, speculations over XRP's ability to surpass Bitcoin's market cap have been sparked by the regulatory clarity surrounding XRP's non-security categorization. While deciding between XRP and Bitcoin raises some interesting questions, the answer will ultimately depend on a number of factors and market forces. Investors will be keeping a close eye on both XRP and Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency sector continues to develop. Next week, here are 5 cryptocurrency facts you should know. SEC challenges Ripple. This coming week will be a busy one for the crypto and traditional markets as attention turns to U.S. inflation, the Fed interest rate decision, and FOMC projections. The SEC, as previously reported, plans to reveal unredacted versions of documents relating to the controversial William Hindman speech in an effort to coerce a settlement. Binance and Coinbase-related news will also affect the index's direction during the second segment. The cryptocurrency market has had a wild week, and next week doesn't look any better. Binance and Coinbase are being sued following an investigation by the Securities and Exchange Commission. Binance faces 13 distinct SEC accusations related to its alleged unregistered token sales and failure to register as an exchange. Coinbase purportedly sells virtual currencies that can be classified as investments. Decentralized exchanges saw a significant uptick in trade volume once the news broke. Contents: Hide. Comparing U.S. and Chinese economic metrics. The upcoming week is a pivotal one on the U.S. economic calendar, which is one of the 5 things to know about crypto. The recent regulatory clarification on XRP may prove beneficial as it removes a major obstacle for possible investors. Due to XRP's lack of security status, it may be more appealing to institutional investors and conventional financial institutions. Potential investors may be more attracted to XRP now that regulatory worries are lower. Investors have a fascinating choice between XRP and Bitcoin. Even though Bitcoin has the greatest market valuation of any cryptocurrency, XRP has just gained regulatory clarification, making it a formidable competitor. Investors will evaluate the pros and cons of each cryptocurrency as the industry develops and matures. It's worth noting that XRP's market cap eventually overtaking Bitcoin's is not a given and that many factors come into play. Since April of 2021, Shiba Inus have dropped 2 zeros, when it might reach 1 cent. Even though Shiba Inu's stock price has skyrocketed since its initial public offering, it's impossible to say how high it can rise from here. Shiba Inu has come a long way since its August 2020 starting price of 0.05. Since its inception, the asset's price has increased by a factor of 4, making it one of the highest gaining assets ever. It's unclear, though, if it can sustain a rally like it did before. Since its debut price of $0.006 on April 1, 2021, SHIB has increased in value by almost 14,400%, reaching $851 at present. This means that the asset's price has dropped by 4 zeros since its inception, 2 of them in the last 2 years. Investors who have lost out on the previous price increases are hoping for another, larger increase. To reach 1 cent, the cost of a Shiba Inu would have to rise by 117,408%. Significantly higher growth in value than the market average during the preceding 2 years. Please enjoy the rest of the show. Please hit the like button and sign up for my channel. Hope to see you in the upcoming clip. Bye.